Hopefully you can see it. I'm using a silver. Just move a little bit because it go into the frame that I wanted, but I don't want to be too like right inside the frame. Can I get a raindrop from anniversary kit? I'm really enjoying this, and it's going to be bling out. It's really nice. But if you want to leave it alone, you can just top coat it and cure for 60 seconds. But if you would like to really enjoying it and add more crystals on, as you see me, like I keep adding more crystals on it to make it really fun, but also is not necessary if you don't want to do it. And can I have one of the arrowhead? And I'm going to using the beads because I'm using a frame. What you can do is the frame in gold, or you can do silver. And so I kind of like the combination of gold and silver together, so it kind of standing out. But if you try this using a gold, I think it's gonna be so beautiful, and I can't wait to see your beautiful creation with different look. I'm going to continue doing the same on this side. highlight fast. Like I got
they like the crystal design, and they're just discussing how a lot of places still closed, and wherever it's open, everybody's just flood in.
oh. We down in Florida here we got to open, but we take it a little bit slow and precautions about that. Take a appointment only and follow all the guidelines. Hope everyone doing great, good, and be safe over there. Sometime open too early could be really make it really scary and panicking too. So please be well, be safe out there. Hey everyone, like if you don't like the crystal placement like a lot on this, you can do on the top only. But if you want to add on, I'm just so obsessed with this, so you can, like, I can do anything on the background and then I will like cover it. Well, you still see a background, but you see in hidden background, right? So, but I mean, you can add more crystal on, or you can just leave it alone. I think either way. Like for instance, if you do whole set with the foil, and then 2 ring finger, your clients want this crystal on it. Let me move first. All right. If you're happy with this, I am going to cure for 60 seconds. And then we'll do precision glue on all 4 of them.